Oruterano rw'omwaka orwa My Great Price Conference orubiire ha Rufaniro Grounds omuri Kampala rwakirwemu abakazi nyamwingi okuruga omu byanga n'amahanga gatari gamwe na gamwe. Apostle Grace Rubega owatandikireho Fanero Ministries International abanze kugambira enkuyaja y'abantu oburugo n'ekigendererwa ky'oruterano oru.
Olukungana luno was burst out of the experience I had with God. Gwava mu nsisinkano gye nafuna ne Katonda, in lieu of which came a mandate. Omwo mwe mwajjira omulimu that there is a vacuum on the earth. Nti waliwo ekibanga ku nsi in the ministry of women, mu buweereza obw'abakyala.
Mu butumwa bwe Apostle Rubega ashabira abakazi okuhamira omu kushaba ari okugira ngu omu kushaba nikwe Ruhanga ararabiremu akabakozesa emirimo y'obukama bwa Ruhanga.
Out of time, out of equation, out of revelation, out of general interpretation. And people will say, why is she doing this? It's very simple. She's connected to a frequency that very few people can hear. This frequency is not proximity.
Mu birori by'omugambi mukuru omu ruterano oru, Bishop Kathy kuruga omu ihanga rya Kenya ashabira abakazi okwekwasa Ruhanga mu buri bukimwe ahabw'okuba byona n'abibaasa.
Abantu bangi admire divine calling begomba okuyitibwa okutukuvu because of its visibility. Olw'engeri gye kukirabikamu. People see platform, abantu balaba obutuufu, they see influence, ne balaba, they see authority, ne balaba obuyinza, they see impact, ne balaba kyokola, they see the doors opening, ne balaba enzigi nga zigula, the lives transformed, obulamu nga bukyuka, and they look at this surrendered vessel, kakati ne batunuulira omuntu ono eyewaddeyo, and it's admirable.
Abandi baheereza ba Ruhanga mu ruterano oru basimira Apostle Rubega ahabw'okutandikaho oruterano oru oruhire abakazi amaani n'omwete gw'okukora kyona ekiri kubasika kureetaho empindahinduka omu byanga byabo.
Omusumba waffe Apostle Grace Rubega ayina ekintu kye yalaba mu mukyala. Yayolesebwa ng'omukyala ayina ekimulimu kinene nnyo naye nga kibadde tekizuukusibwanga.
The world has many questions. There is an end to worldly wisdom, and across the world you see sickness, you see disease, you see anxiety, you see heartbreak, you see poverty, and there's only one answer to that, and that's God. So it's conferences like this that realign women to meet their maker.
Oruterano oruhoona rubiiremu abeeshongozi b'ebyeshongoro by'okuhimbisa nka Masekinyo oshamiza abantu n'ebyeshongoro bye. Oruterano oru orwa My Great Price nirubaho buri mwaka okubangura abakazi n'okubakuza omu by'omwoyo hamwe n'okwikiriza. Amakuru aga gashakwa John Mwebembezi hamwe na Amanda Stephen omuri Kampala.